Can you hear it? The gentle rustling of the trees, the whisper of the wind. This is the voice of Mother Nature, ancient and pure, calling out to all who will listen. From the towering mountains to the deepest oceans, she has nurtured every creature. For billions of years, her voice has sung in harmony with the heartbeat of the earth, providing us with everything we need to live. But now, her voice is changing. The forests that once stretched endlessly are shrinking, replaced by silence and devastation. The oceans that once teemed with life now cry out in pain, their depths suffocated by our actions. Pollution chokes her skies, deforestation scars her lands, and climate change threatens her balance. We've taken more than we've given, and now Mother Nature is pleading, begging us to listen before it's too late. She is trying, yes, but even the strongest among us has limits. Her message is clear: we must act now. Not tomorrow, not someday, but today. We are not separate from nature. We are part of her, and her fate is in our hands. Together we can restore her voice. We can heal the wounds which we have given to her. Listen to her call. Let us be the generation that heard her cries and chose to act. Mother Nature is speaking. Will we listen before it's too late? Because the one who can create is the also one who can destroy.